Hey everybody, it's Train Guy 1969 and we have a really cool, unique locomotive and lash up here for you today. This is an SD24 and this particular one is done up in the paint scheme for the James E. Strates Shows. So the Strates Shows were America's only remaining railroad carnival. They travel the eastern seaboard during a 7-month season, transporting personnel and equipment with 61 rail cars and 34 trucks. Traveling with the show are some 400 employees and families who operate the many rides, games, and concessions. Currently, over 45 rides and 80 games and concessions fill the carnival midway. This particular train is the passenger train. I'm sure that they would have had the passenger cars for all of the carnival employees, and then they would have also had lashed to the train a number of freight cars and flat deck cars to carry all of the equipment that they would have had. This particular model I got as a set with the locomotive and 4 passenger cars, and was fortunate enough to obtain 4 other passenger cars. So everything from baggage cars to observation cars to the dining car. It's a great looking little train, fairly unique. So we're going to get it up and running and we'll show you what we have here. So the Strates Carnival SD24 HO scale, and again this is a DC model. Here we go. And when we bring her back around, we're going to slow it down just a bit. You can get a closer look at it. So the SD24, a unique looking locomotive. Baggage cars. Very neat looking locomotive and concept. And we'll get her back up to speed a little more. And we'll bring it in one more time and then we'll park her right here in front. Slow her right down, and there we are. So the Strates Shows SD24 and a variety of different passenger cars. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day.